Are we all organised?
With your salmon, if you can have that right down the middle, so you get 2 pieces, and likewise with your halibut. So what we want is 2 nice thick slices, then your ginger, then a piece of chilli. So you're better to use coriander stalks for steaming. Lay the salmon over the top.
There's a couple of wee leaves and lots of stalks.
Yeah.
The salmon, the fish is in the middle, and we join it at the top. It should look like a pasty. The cooking is from steam, which will build up inside this foil, which is just like a wee pocket, a wee purse. And then the ginger and the lime produce all the steam along with the heat. And all we're doing is sitting it in, halibut in the other. And you should pretty much hear this sizzling straight away because your pan should be hot enough. I put the salad on the plate here, and then that's what your guests get for gorgeous steamed fish. Now what we want to see there is it's just starting to flake. It will just break down into nice big flakes, and it'll have all that beautiful ginger, lime, chilli, coriander. How did you like that, Doogie?
That is past the taste test.
Good, good,
That is
good.
lovely, Jack. It really is, yeah.
And just quite simple to make.
Yeah. It's idiot proof, so I can do it.